All right. Pretty nice day out today. Pretty nice day out. Today I have a really quick video. We're going to be installing new headlights on my cousin's Tacoma. This is my cousin right here. That's his Tacoma. That's mine right there. Headlights that he bought were from Tacoma Beast as well. Let me see.
Alpharex.
The Alpharex? Oh, you bought it from Alpharex?
I bought from Alpharex.
Yeah, these headlights my cousin bought from Alpharex?
Yeah.
Alpharex, yeah. And they do indeed look very clean.
Wait, is it?
Sheesh. This thing looks nice. These are his headlights right now. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing installed. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, so we went ahead and installed these headlights right here. It was pretty easy to do. We got them on. They look pretty nice. Just a heads up, I am not sponsored by Alpharex whatsoever. These are just the headlights that my cousin bought. The wiring itself was kind of a pain in the ass, but we managed to finish it. The truck turns on just fine, but for some reason, the lights are a bit dim. We're not entirely too sure what's wrong with it, but we'll figure that out later. I'll show you guys what it looks like once we go ahead and put everything back on and turn on the lights and everything. I think it's gonna look super dope. But this is what it looks like once the product is finished. We waited until nighttime to actually turn it on to show you guys. These are the daytime running headlights. Looks really dope in my honest opinion. Love the way it looks. This looks so good. He just has to change out the grill, but he's gonna do that eventually, and bumpers as well. And then we come over here. This is my little truck right here. Still looks dope. Looks really nice. But yeah, overall, what do you think of the headlights?
Yeah, it looks really nice. It was pretty worth it.
It was worth it? Yeah, it looks really dope. Yeah, this is the turn signals. It looks so dope. It's sequential. I really wish my truck had that, but it doesn't. But this is dope though. Can't get enough of it. Yeah, these things are bright. So good. Catch from the side. This is the side view of it right here. It looks really dope. Really like it. It's bright. Yeah, side by side though, our trucks look really nice. I'm not gonna lie. Sheesh. I like. But yeah, that's gonna be all for today's video, you guys. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe if you guys want to see more content. If you guys have any questions about these headlights in particular, just leave it down in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer it. I'm gonna go ahead and also leave the link to it down in the description box below as well. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check them out. Like I said before in the video, I am not sponsored by them whatsoever. It's just, I just wanted to make a video and I thought this would be a very cool video to showcase it. But yeah, that's gonna be all for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and have a great one.